Hello and welcome to Scooty Mobility, home of the lightest mobility scooters in the world. This is our selection of super lightweight foldable mobility scooters. You'll find videos of each of these models on our website. So this is the Supalite Mobility Scooter. It's one of the very lightest mobility scooters in the world, only 17 kilograms. Manually unfolds, but it's very easy. And this is the newer version that I'm unfolding here. The old version that you may see advertised elsewhere, a little cheaper, manufacturer's clearing, has a smaller seat and doesn't have a removable battery and has smaller wheels at the back. So it's quite a difference on this new one. Removable battery comes out in a second, so you can charge that either in the house, on board or off board the scooter. Maybe leave the scooter in the car. Tyres are filled with a soft foam, high-tech soft foam to make a nice comfortable ride. You can't get a puncture. It looks small, but it's not. It's got plenty of room for a big chap like me. Nice comfortable seat. You can put your feet further forward on the little rack at the front. On-off button if you like, or the on-off lever, highly manoeuvrable. You set the speed that you want to go and then just press that lever or pull that lever. Adjustable height for your comfort. And extremely lightweight. They don't come as light as this. It's got a little removable handle so that you can wheel it around behind you like a suitcase, and that folds away nice and easily. So just tow it behind you again, just like a suitcase. When you finish, fold that away again. So there you have it. That's the Supalite Mobility Scooter. Maximum range of 9 miles every time it's charged up, and very lightweight, only 17 kilograms. Just compare that with anything else on the market. There is nothing.